Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets for the 5th of May 2025, and it's currently 9:32 a.m. Let's get to trading. All right, so we took these highs, we wicked through it, no body close above it. No body close above. Let's put it in big screen. So we have no body close above these highs. So we took those highs. If we close below these lows, we might attack these lows. So let's see what we got in this morning's session. We took it, but there's these lows to come and take and these relative equal lows to come and take, so I don't know. We might come and get into this fair value gap and then continue down, but we will see. Right here, because we took this high, we pierced above twice, 3 times. It's kind of showing a sign that maybe it wants to go above. Here it is. Alright, so now we officially closed above this high. This was the last high before this low, so now we start changing market structure. We just did a nice little rebalance. Might make our way up to this fair value gap. But remember, everyone, there's S&P Global Services PMI at 9:45 and ISM at 10. There we go. So now you gotta bounce right back off these highs. It's probably going to close strong above over here. 7 seconds, probably somewhere around here. Sorry. Yeah. So if you guys would have watched my pre-market, this is exactly what was supposed to happen. Right when we broke above this, and then we were talking about how it would react around this fair value gap on the 1 minute. This one over here. No fair value gap until now. No first presented fair value gap. Alright, so just tap consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. That's SIBI on the left, down there. And we might make our way back down. Okay, so we went to tap that fair value gap after taking those highs. It's making its way back down. The question is, will this be the first fair value gap that will be formed from this wick to the next candle's open? That's a strong sell-off right there. Almost back to the opening price. There's the first presented fair value gap. I'll put in purple. We are currently below the 9:30 open. So if we take these lows, bring below, right, it will be a short. It will be a short. But if we don't take these lows, we might want to continue because now this is the market structure. Let's, oops, not tab, exit, escape. Let's do that little market exercise, market structure exercise. So so this is the low that has to be taken because from a new high to a low to a new high. We take this low, we'll attack this low and possibly this liquidity down here. All right. That's very nice. Nice price action. We just took the low. Took the low, didn't break below. Didn't close below. But we did take the low. I didn't take this short because I didn't see the body break below this low and this low. So it was just a mega wick with a candle that closed within the previous candle's range. So that's what patience is. Patience and following your system. In 1 minute is services PMI. 10 seconds until services PMI. 3, 2, 1. All right. 'So typically when it takes both highs and lows like this, so it took this high and then it took these lows, I like to wait for confirmation on either side. So let's say it took this high, then it took this low, then I would like to wait for a new low to be made or a new high to be made to continue a structure in a certain direction, in a certain direction. It's really important to be patient. Like, oh, down here and you're like, oh, I think it's gonna go up, and you just buy. No, that's not the thing. You wait and you see what the market tells you, not what you think is gonna happen. Doesn't work like that. I was doing that when I was a junior trader. Didn't work. Did not work. So expected for services PMI was 51.4. It came out at 50.8. 'Seems to be stalling close to this fair value gap. 12 minutes left for ISM. Okay, new high. There you go. New high. Stopped at the constant encroachment just a little above. Let's see if we can continue going. I think we will. I think we will. Oh, bodies closed below that fair value gap. Interesting price action. Okay, so the candle bodies are closing below that fair value gap. It's quite interesting. But I think I'm going to use this inversion as an entry because we just had a break above on the other side. So right below this, the first presented fair value gap, this is going to be an inversion right here. And stop's going to be below this. Should have had it right here at the first presented fair value gap and use this as the inversion. But I'm playing it a bit safe. I don't know. I'm playing a bit safe this morning. I'll go to the second inversion. Really? That's how you're gonna do me? Just one little, not even. Anyways, you guys know the price that I got. And look, I'm gonna show you. It went right below my order, didn't take me in. That's fine. We remain patient. But that's the type of precision we trade with over here at Trading Capital Markets. Right here. Right on my buy. Now we are in. And now we see. We see what's up. There you go, guys. So the body's closed right on it. Starts to buy right now. Let's see what happens. I just put this just a little bit lower over here. Okay, so we use the consequent encroachment of this first presented fair value gap as a point of interest, but let's see if we could break and hold above. I'd like to see a break and hold above right over here. Yes, let's see. That's interesting. Probably going to take these lows, stop at this ordered block right here. We're not going to take these lows over here. Yeah, exactly. We're going to take these lows, create like a little swing point over here. We'll use this as the order block. This is an order block, and we probably stop at the consequent encroachment. So this mark, or just straight up from here. So that's all wicks in this inversion. No candle close like body for now. But I do think we'll continue making our way a little bit higher and come take these relative equal highs out right here. I do think so. Okay, so there was a good level of resistance right here at that fair value gap. I don't know if it's going to make its way up, back up again. But I think we can possibly put our, we'll move our stop loss right here once it takes these highs. So stop loss is going to be coming right here once those highs are taken. So far it's performing pretty well. I know it's ISM in like a couple of minutes. Is it ISM? Yeah, ISM, sorry. So it's ISM in a couple of minutes. Let's see what the numbers are going to be. But you see how the bodies are still not willing to close within it? That's the only thing I don't like for now for this setup. 10 seconds left to this close. Close above. Perfect. Now I think we're golden. We could even use this to pyramid right in. Like use this fair value gap right here. Okay, use that high. A little bit higher. That's right. That's good. So yeah, we're gonna come and take these highs, potentially. And as we said, trailing stops. We're gonna trail stops. Break even seems legit for now. Just gonna go to the washroom and I'll be back. To the washroom. Order. All right, so it reacted pretty nice to the news. It almost hit our take profit. It's about to hit it right now. Let's take this off and see it hit. Ah, so close. And take profit is hit. That's a great session, everyone. Oh, yes, Karam. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we hit that take profit today in a couple of minutes. So we hit it in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes exactly for take profit on today's session. Um, that's it. That's what training's all about. You follow the rules, follow some zones, and you make money every every day and lose sometimes, but that's part of the game. That's part of the game. Did you uh, did you take the trade, Karam? Awesome. Let's go, Karam. Challenge FTMO. Good job. Good job. That's great. That's great for us. That's great for us. And one more question for the live. Um, for you that's in the chat. How's the video quality and the audio? I think audio is still the same, but video quality should be much better now. That's perfect. All right, so we followed our plan, everybody. We um, we said that if we break above right here, right, these highs, we're going bullish. And if we break these lows, we're going bearish. We broke those highs, we closed above, we came back down, took these lows just to swipe the liquidity before PMI and ISM, and then we made our way above to these relative equal highs right here. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this live. Like and subscribe, turn that notification on, get notified every time I go live from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. And yeah, great session. Peace.